What's happening? What's happening? What's happening, y'all? Yes, indeed. Back giving y'all some more real talking reactions of mine. Now, before I get y'all this reaction, y'all share, like, subscribe, and follow your boy. And hit that notification bell so you know when I'm dropping another video.
Hey. Hey.
What's up?
This is what you're doing with your time?
What? Just looking up some recipes, yeah.
What kind of recipes?
Different vegan dishes. I'm just trying to figure out different like dinner options and you know, exploring some things.
For Wayne again?
Yeah.
Laura, when are you gonna learn? When are you going to learn? You think that this is gonna be enough for Wayne?
I mean, it seems to be working, so yeah, I think so. Why are you I don't understand why you're on my back about this. Like I really don't get it. It's not
It's not what?
I just don't think it's a big deal. I feel like
I know you don't think that. That's why I'm trying to pump this into your head. How much of a big deal that it is.
if I want to cook for Wayne, I feel like that's okay for me to do. Just like you want to get dressed, you want to look nice for Iman, you want to, this is something that Wayne appreciates. And if he appreciates this, then why not? Clearly, nobody else was doing it, so you can't be mad at me for finally stepping in and taking ownership of something that he actually likes and he enjoys from a woman.
Did you not just see what happened to Tamara?
I did see
Just
that.
the other day. I mean, it just feels like it was yesterday. Did you not see what just happened and how this girl heart got broken? You don't think that it's going to be any different? It doesn't matter how many meals you cook. It's going to be something that's going to bother him.
She wasn't doing her part, and I understand that. So there's certain things that Wayne appreciates from a woman, and unfortunately, she wasn't doing that. So sorry if I learned from her mistakes.
You're getting delusional and more delusional by the day. I'm seeing this.
How? I really don't think I am.
Lauren, I just pray that you are just sticking to the script and you're not falling for this foolishness that he's telling you, that he tells all these girls. Same thing, just a different pretty little face on a different day.
Delicia, I'm doing what needs to be done.
I just want you to consider Tamara for a little bit. That's it. And her feelings and what she's going through. But clearly, you're going to do what you want to do. So cook your little meals. I just pray that it all ends well, which
it will.
Okay.
Back to my recipes.
For the life of me, man, for the life of me, I do not get why Delicia is always in the middle of what Lauren and Country Wayne got going on. And the bigger reason why I say that is because Delicia knows that Iman is in a relationship with Shayla. And she doesn't have not one problem whatsoever of continuing to see Iman. She doesn't have not one problem. I'm trying to figure out, is Iman paying her rent too? Like, it's crazy. It's crazy, real talk. It's crazy to me because I never see none of these women working. I never see Shayla working. I never see Delicia working. Only one out of all of them I saw working is what's it? Tamara. That's the only one. But for Delicia to be so snakish in real time, not past tense, not years ago, no, right now and at this direct day, being as snaky as she is, I don't see how she has a problem with Lauren seeing Wayne and Tamara, as far as with Tamara, Wayne and her just breaking up a little while ago. I don't see how Delicia has a problem with Lauren for doing that. I don't see how. I really don't see how. I'm glad she ain't in her feelings like Shayla be getting in her feelings. Cause then she would, well, she ain't got, she wouldn't be kicking Lauren out because Lauren don't live with her. That's crazy. That's crazy. But I'll never get that, man. I'll never get that. Like, it's like, I also, how about this? I would love for Shayla to find out who Delicia actually is messing with. I wonder if Shayla would be so, I would say, thinking she has things so under control now if she knew that. Because that'd be funny to me when she be saying that to Anthony, like, Iman is so this, Iman is so that. And Iman is knocking your friend down. I ain't gonna say your best friend, but he knocking your friend down that was living with you and was knocking her down while she was living with you. I wonder what she would say or what she would have to say then. And I don't see no way, shape, form, or fashion why Lauren should have feelings for Tamara as far as her seeing Wayne. Especially when Tamara then came at Lauren multiple times. I don't get it. That's just like the other day when they tried to make it seem like when they tried to make it seem like Lauren was the problem and starting it when Tamara actually started the whole entire thing. I don't know, man. Until next time, y'all.